An artificial neural network is a simulated circuit of biological neurons. People built this to simulate the brains of animals on a computer, and it can result in intelligent behaviors from a mass of silicon, like the ability to recognize faces, draw pictures, drive a car, the list goes on. However, there's a major flaw in this technology that we literally use on a daily basis, and that is that it requires a lot of math and code. For the end user, this wouldn't matter, but for the many developers who work on AI technologies, this can be a real problem, as the complex nature of neural networks will often result in hours of fruitless debugging. And from my experience of working with neural networks, I can safely say that creating them by typing random numbers into parentheses nested deeper than the Mariana Trench and spending a few hours screaming at the code is probably not the best idea. And this is where Deep Fusion comes in. Deep Fusion is an online application that allows developers to create, train, and test their neural networks without writing a single line of code. I had this idea after spending 5 hours screaming at a TensorFlow project, only to realize that one of the network's dimension was incorrect, and that TensorFlow has somehow failed to inform me of so. And after that incident, I decided that I had enough of this catastrophe and started work on a graphical approach to creating neural networks, which would make debugging a lot easier. And so came the birth of Deep Fusion. See, what Deep Fusion gives is communication. Now, you can see exactly what you're editing, what you need to fix, what your last dimension is, and what it will be. You can also upload your own data to train a neural network that fits your needs. However, this is by no means a perfect project, and there's definitely a lot to improve, such as having a real data management system and a backend to offload some of the computing. With that said, this has been Deep Fusion in 100 seconds, and I hope you enjoyed.